Hey there, sunshine! So, before we get into this box, if you normally watch my videos with your teens or your young children and you don't want them to hear cuss words, or if you don't want them to hear suggestive themes, I would recommend clicking off right now because I'm unboxing a box that's kind of like PG-13 / sometimes adultish. So with that said, hey, oh my gosh, so today we are unboxing my November Smartass and Sass box. So many of you guys love this box, and honestly, I really do too, because this box is so fun. I love the, I sometimes like blush because I'm like, oh, but there's so many fun things inside of this box. It really is smartassy and sassy at the same time. And I love that you get useful items in here. Like, I've gotten a lot of kitchen supplies that my mom absolutely loves. And I have a younger sister who loves the stationery in this box. There's just so many useful items inside of this box that not only like add a little bit of sarcasm and humor into your day, but kind of make the overall adulting life a little bit more exciting. With that said, let's open up the box. This is the card that I'm pulling out. Inside we'll have all of the information of what's inside of the box. So we have some white snakes, not the white snakes as in the group, just white paper filler. Okay, I'm gonna pull all this out. I have a candle. Ooh, I have nowhere to put these white snakes. I'm just gonna hold them here the entire time. Please enjoy the rest of the unboxing. Just kidding, I would never. They get everywhere. They literally multiply in my sleep. I swear to goodness. It's like glitter. I don't know why I said goodness. There's not like children watching this video anymore. I swear to God. Like, oop, I cussed. Okay. So, I don't know. I'm going to pull out this candle because I love the colors of it. You can probably tell why. This says, calm your ass down. Scent, lavender and silence. What? Soy wax blend candle from Fun Club. Ooh, I do smell lavender. I don't like the scent of lavender. I don't like the scent of floral. I'm just I love citrus. I love vanillas. This smells nice and strong if you do like lavender though. So this is cute, like the packaging. I love the candle. Again, fun items that you can add into your everyday adult life. Okay. So here's what the rest of the box looks like. I want to see what this thing is because I don't know. Why do I hope it's colored pencils? I don't know. It says engraved spoon. Even better. Spoon. Ooh, what does it say? Spoon me. Like, oh my God, you could kill a man. Listen, do not talk. Tell any children that you have left around you to be quiet for a minute. We're about to hear my hand get beat to death with the spoon. You can kill a man. Whack your husband when he's acting up. Whack your kids when they're acting up with the back of this, and you will be a mass murderer. Good God, this is heavy. This is really heavy. I don't know why I keep hitting my hand, but okay, cute. Cute little murder weapon you have in your Smartass and Sass box. Okay, so I said we had suggestive themes. Okay, I tried to warn you. Okay, the next thing that I'm pulling out is a body bag. Just kidding. I'm gonna stop with the mass murder before anybody gets upset. Oh, these are cute. It says in your dreams. Oh my gosh, imagine falling asleep in these socks and having like good dreams and not nightmares. Can't relate, but these are cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we got little rocket ships and a kite. And I love the colors. I love the colors of this month's box. So fun. Okay, so I'm going to put these over here. I've got the spoon, aka murder weapon. The next thing that I'm pulling out are these vinyl stickers. Be nice or go away. The lovely yellow. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. The next thing that I'm pulling out is this bottle, and it says, tired old ass. Overcome exhaustion. It said overcome exhaustion. I don't care what it smells like, please. Okay. Whoa, it smells like citrus. Okay, I'm alert. Oh, that smells amazing though. Okay, the brand is Little Moon Essentials. Kick exhaustion's ass. Yes. This whole bottle is going to be gone by the end of the day. I promise you that. Okay, the next thing that I'm pulling out is from Little Moon Essentials. And it says aromatherapeutic tired old ass overcome exhaustion mineral bath. So I can't spray this. Like, I put a lot on. Can you see how shiny my chest is? Okay. Ooh, look at the spaceship. Spaceship. Okay, as we're all adults here, we're all having an adult conversation. You know what my favorite movie is? I love Lego movies, honestly. Lego Movie 2 is the best movie ever. Spaceship, if you have small children, you probably have watched that. Here is this cute tag. I freaking love, I want to put this on my purse, even though my purse isn't a luggage tag, but if I could just carry this around, imagine these as earrings. Oh my God, somebody call Vogue. Tell them I'm ready to be a fashion designer. Yes. Okay, I'm really sad because I have like one more thing in this box. And this was a lot of fun. I had fun unboxing this one with you guys. Okay, so it's a doorknob. And then it says, before you knock, ask yourselves, did I bring snacks? Do not enter unless you were a pony or a piece of cake. So that's very interesting. A little doorknob for parents. I am not a parent. I don't have anybody that I need to, you know, tell them do not enter because I don't have children. So this is a cute little, it feels like a, kind of like a lightweight of wood. It kind of reminds me of linoleum flooring, honestly, is what the texture of that is. So with all of that unboxed, let's take a look to see what the total value of this month's box is. Oh, I'm so excited for next month's. Okay. The Calm Your Ass Down Soy Candle has a retail value of $17. Oh my God, look, they have like where you can buy all this stuff. That's so fun. The Spoon Me spoon has a retail value of $12. The socks has a retail value of $12. I'm missing something. I did not get a pen in my box. Okay, so we were supposed to get a box. I did not get a pen of mine. It says Naps Collectible Big Click Pen. It has a retail value of $1.50. I am not going to go off that I'm missing a $1.50 item from my box. No big deal. The Tired Old Ass Mineral Bath Salt and Mist have a retail value of, well, the mist has a retail value of $5. You can still see the glow on my chest. And these salts have a retail value of $3. The Be Nice or Go Away sticker from Naughty Florals has a retail value of $3.58. The door hanger. Ooh. Oh, I found a new, look at that. Oh yeah, it feels nice. Okay, so we have this has a retail value of $12, and the Need More Space luggage tag has a retail value of $11.99. The December's theme is I'm So Fancy. Okay, Smartass and Sass, girl, you killed it this month. This month was so fun to unbox. I really, really enjoyed it. What was your favorite item inside of this month's Smartass and Sass box? I can't wait to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in the next video.